Well, it all started 3 years ago. I had the brilliant idea to create an architecture YouTube channel, and I eventually transitioned into another channel. And just like a legit Arsenal fan, every year I always say to myself, I believe I'll get monetized this year. And to be honest, every year has been an upgrade for me personally. Better skill, better gear, and better storytelling. But I guess the metric doesn't get the memo. The better I believe I get, the worse the numbers. They say an average YouTuber takes 2 years to make it on YouTube. But guess what? I'm not an average, I'm way below. I spent weeks and even months to make a video, sometimes just for it to land on a whooping 103 views, with a comment from family and friends, and well, some supporters like, "This is enough to keep me down." The dreams of becoming a YouTuber, selling my art, and getting a 6-figure sponsorship deal is starting to sound made up to me. But this year, I'm doing something different, and here is how I plan to make it as an art YouTuber in 2026. Before I'm a content creator or a YouTuber, I'm an artist first, and caring so much about the algorithm have impacted a lot on the way I create art. I've been more focused on the views I'm getting, comparing myself with other artists and not fully enjoying the process and the memories I'm creating for myself. I've realized that in this period of time, my art has shifted and it has developed a little bit more, but I've not been able to fully see that and appreciate my progress because I've been focused more on the part that isn't working out yet. So this year, I plan on being more of myself, creating content I'm happy with, and spend more time drawing and creating. I used to have this belief that if you stick to something long enough, eventually things will fall right into place and work out. Even though this is not necessarily wrong, in a way, it makes you get too comfortable doing the same thing and continually being frustrated that it is not working out. I keep wondering, maybe if I keep using similar thumbnails or making videos around the same topics or using the same format, something will click eventually, but all that keeps me from actually creating and bringing out something new. So I'm going back to the basics, experimenting with different formats, telling more of my story instead of just finished product, and bringing more people along with me. Posting more consistently is something I've always struggled with. Making quality videos obviously takes a lot of time, and the balance between quality and quantity has always been something I've had an issue with. As someone with audience my size, I don't have the luxury of taking months in between videos because I can be making good videos, but if I'm not consistent with it, it won't get pushed out to more people that actually needs that type of video. So to help with my consistency, I've been trying to create a system around myself, holding myself accountable for my day-to-day activities, working on creating my own calendar to help boost my productivity so I can consistently put out videos without burning out. Last year I got a new set of markers and pencil colors, and even though I haven't used it as much as I would like to, I am enjoying the learning curve, the mistakes, the corrections. Learning how to blend colors together and how color works together has been a fun experience for me so far. But this year I'm taking it a step further. I've got some acrylic markers and watercolors that I'm really looking forward to using. I believe learning how to use new medium is going to help me grow as an artist. So while I'm working and growing externally, I would also grow internally as well, and maybe one day I'll be good enough to sell my art. After sketching out this drawing, I felt like using watercolors would give me the best outcome, but I decided to slow down a little bit and take it a step at a time. And since I'm already familiar with using alcohol markers, I decided to try using acrylic for the first time. The first step obviously is swatching, since I learned my lesson the hard way when I started using alcohol markers. The most I know about F1 is from the movies, so I decided to check Pinterest for references so I can know the type of colors to go for, since I'm not trying to replicate the ones used in my reference picture. And I decided to go for red and yellow. That seems like the most obvious color to me. While using this, I noticed acrylic markers are very bold and a lot different from alcohol markers, and it requires a bit more care because it will be easy to make mistakes, but I guess you can just cover it up with another color. In my opinion, I believe acrylic marker is a bit simpler than I expected, since I don't have to worry about layering, and I think there is no wrong way of painting with acrylic markers. There is only the good way and the better way. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If this is your first time coming across my video, make sure to like and subscribe, and you can also comment down below on what you are currently struggling with in your journey. So for now, enjoy the review and catch you in the next video.